How emergency brought the opposition together. निशांत रंजन एंड रोशन किशोर का यह आर्टिकल है जून 25 marks 50 years of the imposition of the emergency by Indira Gandhi in India. The emergency is one of the greatest ironies of politics in India. It was imposed to secure Indira Gandhi's hold on power but ended up catalyzing short-lived opposition unity which could lead to the Congress losing power for the first time in independent India. In other words, the Congress' humiliating loss in 1977 election was more a result of opposition unity than Congress' loss of popular support. ये जयप्रकाश नारायण जी का है. Congress seat share fall in 1977 elections was disproportionate to its vote share fall. अब ये डायग्राम के माध्यम से देख लीजिए कांग्रेस का वोट शेयर 1952 में क्या था और 1977 में 0.82, फिर बढ़ता रहा घटता रहा, फिर 0.86 2024 की बात है ये. द पोस्ट इमरजेंसी इलेक्शन वाज द मोस्ट पोलराइज्ड इन इंडियाज हिस्ट्री. अब उस समय का देखिए, अगर आप देखें तो 1952 में 3.0 मीडियन ENOP इन द लोकसभा इलेक्शंस. ENOP का मतलब है कि इफेक्टिव नंबर ऑफ पार्टिसिपेंट्स. अब ये देखिए 2.4 2024 में ये ग्रेट फॉल ही है. It was this opposition unity that destroyed the Congress in the 1977 elections. Number of PCs won by the Congress with the different categories of vote share. और इसके बाद देखिए number of PCs won with the less than 50% vote share and number of PCs won with the equal to the greater than 50% vote share. 1952 में देख लीजिए और ग्रेजुअली इसका लेवल आप देखेंगे तो ये टोटल 2024 तक का इमेज दिया हुआ है. वन कैन से दैट द पार्टी is benefiting from fragmentation of the opposition vote. If it manages to win a constituency without pulling 50% of the total votes, an analysis of elections data before 1977 shows that the Congress used to gain a lot from fragmented opposition. The Congress won an average of 340.8 PCs in the Lok Sabha elections held between 1952 to 1971. It won an average of 183.6 and 157.2 PCs with a vote share of less than 50% and 50% or more during this period. The Congress could win just 28% in 1977, where it pulled a vote share of less than 50%. This summer is the lowest ever number of PCs won by the Congress with a seat share of less than 50% in any elections. ठीक है, तो ये अपना डिटेल है और इमरजेंसी के दौरान कैसे कैसे चीज़ें घटित हुई इसका एक लेखा जोखा था ये. थैंक यू.